Central Daylight Time for southwestern Oklahoma and southeastern Canadian counties at 6:40. At 6:42 p.m., a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 5 miles west of Yukon, moving to the east at 10 miles an hour. This tornado was on Interstate 40, 2 to 3 miles east of El Reno. Another severe thunderstorm was located southwest of El Reno and may become tornadic in the next hour. This tornado emergency is for far eastern Canadian county, including El Reno, Yukon, Bethany, and Richland. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to softball size is expected with the storm. Once again, at 6:42, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 5 miles west of Yukon, or 2 to 3 miles east of El Reno, moving to the east at 10 miles an hour. A tornado warning remains